Welcome to Pocket Rifters. This is Harry, this is Toby, I'm Daddy. Let's go!
Daddy, Harry, and if you need my help, just ask for my. We got up to this part, Daddy. Yeah, we got up to it.
Where are we going? There we go. Get him. Good job, dudes. Oh, one in the air.
I got the railroad.
Out. Oh, I'm out, I'm out. Help, 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 help. Thank you. Behind you. We got him. You got him?
Nice. I got the one.
Okay, come here, son, and thing them.
Harry! Sorry. High five me. Nice. Harry! Take my foot. And move. How many did I get? 0. They're ready.
Perfect.
Roller. Roller. Rolling. Roller, roller. I'm good at this game. Very good. Ooh.
Okay, I'm gonna go cook breakfast.
No.
Have fun in your travels. Ready? So, hang on. Hold on for a second. I'm going to do a little introduction.
Is that
I'm going to go.
Mario?
You're Harry, you're Toby, but where's Toby?
I'm up here.
Okay, you're up there. Right, excellent. That's it. Okay, right. Good morning. Oh. Welcome to Pocket Rifters. This is Harry, this one's Toby, and I am Daddy. Come join us.
Yay! Yay!